going to put on this automotive primer again. I really like this stuff, so I'm going to use this stuff to paint the back and the whole front. Then on the back side, I'm just going to use this nice semi-gloss paint. And on the front, I'm going to use some of this this rubberized one. It's an undercoating. And then I'm going to put some of this on top just so it can resist chips and, you know, rock stuff. But I'm going to clean this real quick with some alcohol and I'm going to start painting. Alright, so that's coat number 1 done with the primer. I'm going to give it about 5 minutes to dry, and then I'll be right back. Time for coat number 2. Okay, that's coat number 2 with the primer. I'm going to flip it over, and then I'm going to do the whole backside twice. And then I'm going to sand it all down, wet sand it, because it is a first thing you see when you roll up somewhere. So I'm going to sand it down, and then I'm going to put the rubberized coating and then the semi-gloss on top. Alright, now so I'm going to use this rubberized undercoating for the top of the bumper. Alright, so I left this for about 2 hours. Now I'm going to spray on this semi-gloss protective enamel. Alright guys, so it's been about a day since I last recorded, but I finished off painting this whole thing. It looks pretty good, nice and shiny. You can actually see the rubberized coating, as you can see probably right there. But thank you all for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. I'm trying to get all the accessories for the Jeep painted first, and then I'm going to paint the Jeep a nice teal color. Thank you all for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Goodbye.